What's up, guys? So TikTok recently launched a new tool, and this tool is really going to help a lot of creators on TikTok. Seriously. And it's called the Creators Search Insights. Basically, it allows you to see the volume of search on a particular topic. So if you go ahead and search for it, the first thing you're going to see there is the For You page. On the For You page, you see the search volume, the topics that are really blowing up on the For You pages. You can now go through it and say, okay, is this a video I want to make? Is this in my niche? You can just go ahead, go through it. And one more thing I really do like is that you can click on the topics. Once you click on the topic, it's going to open up. You see the search volume, you see a graph showing you how it's been growing on TikTok. Seriously, I really do like that part. And also you're going to see related searches, the terms that people are using to search for the video. And also you can also check other videos that are being created in that same niche. And that's not all. You can also save the topic. Maybe there's something you like, the topic. You can just go ahead and save it and later come back to it and create content about it. Now, one of the things I really do like is the trending. Now, the trending will show you videos that are trending on TikTok, and also it will also show you the search volume. You can also do the same thing by clicking on the topic, and it will show you a graph showing you how the video has been doing topics, how people have been searching for it on TikTok. You see the search terms and also videos that have been created. I really do like that a lot. Now, one more thing I really do want them to improve on is once you click on the trending again, it will show you the other niches. You can now like filter, go like if you want to talk about, if your niche is in sport or gaming, you could just go ahead and choose like a filter in a way. Just choose your niche, gaming, and it will give you the trending gaming topics on TikTok. I really do like that a lot. So we have food, we have games, we have sport, we have tourism. I really do like it. You can now filter through it and see. We have science too. Yeah, we got science too. And you can now go into it and see trends in each niches. Like in sport, you can see trending videos in sport. You can see trending videos in science. That's another thing I really do like, and I really do hope they add more niches because it doesn't cover all the niches on TikTok right now. But I do hope they will increase it and add more niches to it. And not only that, once you choose, if you're filtering it, let's say you choose sports, you can also use the search to search for a particular topic. Like there's a search bar on top. Just type in the topic that you want in sport, and it will show you the trending sports. Or in the For You, you can also search there for a particular topic and see how people are searching for it. This feature is really great. So let's go right into it. Let me show you how you can use it.